Hey guys, and welcome back to Money Wise Tax Pros. So I just came on here to give you all a few tips for a business startup. So if you are wanting to get an LLC and start your business, here are a few tips that can help you along the journey, especially if you are low on money, you don't have enough saved to fund a business, because we all know that startup costs can be very expensive and it can create debt for you that could take you a while to get out of. So my name is Tara, and I'm here to help you get over some of those hurdles so you don't be in so much debt just when you're starting your business. So the first thing I want you to do is go to Google or Yahoo, and I want you to create you an email address for your business. Say for instance, my business name is Money Wise Tax Pros. So I'm going to use moneywisetaxpros@gmail.com. That's what I decided to use because I want to keep it consistent with any platform that I use. And by doing that, it's free. Instead of you creating a domain on GoDaddy or some other site that you have to pay for, we want to do whatever we can do the free way. So the second thing you want to do is use Google Voice to create you a phone number. Well, it'll create the phone number for you, but you go on Google Voice and you log in with that same email that you just created for your business, and let Google create you a phone number, and that will be the phone number that you use for your business. Number 3, you're gonna go create you a website. So there are a lot of platforms where you can create a website like Squarespace, WordPress, and where I created my website was on Wix. So Wix does have it to where you can create a website that is totally free. So the key to creating that Wix site and for it to look like it belongs to you is to use that email that you generated for your business. Like you all know, my business name is Money Wise Tax Pros. So I made sure I used that Gmail account to connect to my Wix profile when I opened up my website. So that way I did not have to create a domain and pay hundreds of dollars. And I didn't have to go to Taylor Brands to let them help me create my LLC or anything like that and pay them hundreds of dollars, just like LegalZoom. You all, I'm telling you, this stuff you can do on your own. You do not need anyone's help. If you just take out the time and put that time into research businesses and research websites where you can get things for free. So with Wix.com, I use moneywisetaxpros@gmail.com email. And that's why my domain is moneywisetaxpros.wix.com, which I don't mind because, y'all, my business name is in it. So that's a win-win for me. So the next thing you're going to do after you've gotten your Gmail, your phone number, created a website, go to your secretary website and search for your name. Whatever state you in, if you're in North Carolina, Texas, whatever, search for your state name, and once you go to that website, search for your business name and file it. They're gonna create that, file it as an LLC, so you can get your EIN. So once you filed the business name and you file your articles of incorporation and all of that, and they have approved it. I know with my state, it did take a few days. I think probably a few days to a week. I don't recall. It's been a minute. But when I created it, did take a few days before they gave me the approval. So once they gave me the approval, I went to irs.gov and I searched for EIN. And once I searched for EIN, I clicked the link and basically put in all of my personal information. And y'all, when I tell you, it is so easy, like you really don't need any help with it. If you know your name, your social security number, you know, all that, you're good to go and know that you are forming an LLC. it's going to be so easy. I think it's about 7 different screens that you go through. Next thing, after you created your EIN, the IRS is going to give you a PDF of that EIN. They're also going to mail you a copy of that letter with your EIN number. So the next thing you do is you use that information with your articles that you got from your state, and you open your business bank account. And once you open your business bank account, you have to personally fund it yourself. So if you are starting a business, make sure you have saved a few coins, so you can put into that bank account. I would say save at least $100 to $500. Whatever your budget is, you can start wherever your bank tells you. Some banks want you to put a certain amount. Some banks you don't have to put anything until probably like a few months later. But I recommend at least $500. That's just me personally. But yeah, so let me know if y'all want any other tips for your business startup. I'll be glad to help. And click the link in my bio. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Check out my website. And I am also hiring for the tax season. I am an office owner, but a virtual office owner. So if you want to be a part of a growing team and you want to file taxes and cater to clients, and you love finance and things like that, and most of all, make good money, make sure you click on my application. Click on the website first and then fill out my application. And y'all, classes will be starting soon. So yeah, get started. And thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.